Today's lesson is lesson 130, part 2, comparing and ordering 6-digit numbers and rounding numbers to the nearest thousand. So here I have two numbers. I have 3,000 and 7,000, and I want to know which one is bigger. Well, I know that 7 is bigger than 3, so that means that 7,000 has to be bigger than 3,000. We show this in our comparing circle by drawing what's called a less than symbol, because 3,000 is less than 7,000. A good way to remember which direction to face this arrow is to think of it as the mouth of an alligator. And alligators always want to eat the bigger number. And so it's going to eat the 7,000, so its mouth will be facing that way. Okay? All right, so next one, 17,000 and 5,000. Well, 17 is bigger than 5. So that means I would use this symbol, which is called a greater than symbol, because 17 is greater than 5,000. 17,000 is greater than 5,000. Again, thinking of that as the mouth of an alligator. It always faces the bigger number. Okay, what about these ones? I have 90,000 and 130,000. Well, 130 is bigger than 90. So I'm going to use this symbol, the less than symbol. Okay. And now I have 240,000 and 42,000. I've got my comma in the wrong spot. 42,000. Well, 240 is bigger than 42. So I'm going to use the greater than symbol. All right, for the second part, it's rounding numbers to the nearest thousand. So I want to round this number, 8,100, to the nearest thousand. To do that, I'm going to underline the thousands place, because this is the number I want to round. Then I look to the number to the right, and it will tell me whether to round the thousands place up or to keep it the same. So I can look at 100, and I know that 100 is less than half of 1,000. So it's less than 500. So I know that I'm going to round this number and keep the 8 the same. So 8,100 rounded to the nearest thousand is going to be 8,000. Because 8,100 is closer to 8,000 than it is to 9,000. Okay, all right. What about 6,900? Well, if we look at 6,900, I know that 900 is more than half of 1,000, which is 500. So it's more than 500. Okay, so in this case, 6,900 is closer to the number 7,000. So I'm going to round it to 7,000. Okay, next one, looking at 3,810. Well, again, the hundreds place, the 8 here, is bigger than 500. So I would round this number up to 4,000, because it's closer to 4,000 than it is to 3,000. And on the final one, 5,291. Well, I know that 291 is less than 500. So that means I need to round this number down to 5,000. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.